So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Teds, and today ay itatry natin na mag vlog using my new phone. So right now I'm using the front cam of my new phone, which is the OPPO A3S. So right now guys, ito yung ginagamit ko na phone, OPPO A3S. Ito ay bagong model ng OPPO at na-release lang nung July 2018. So July, August, September. So 3 months old pa lang yung phone na to. So ang maganda sa phone na to ay ito ay full HD display. But tulad ng mga ibang phone, meron siyang notch. Hindi ko mapakita sa inyo dahil ginagamit ko nga siya pang-vlog ngayon. So ito lang yung box niya. So nagbili ko yung phone na to na ang 6,990. So 10 pesos na lang, 7K na siya, almost 7K. So yung phone na to ay mayroong 16 gigabytes na internal memory at 2 gig RAM. So not bad for an entry level phone. Sana mas maganda kung mas mataas pa yung memory niya, pero nga dahil sa price niya ay hindi na tayo maghahanap pa ng sobrang laki ng internal. Pwede naman siyang lagyan ng memory card. So ayan, kung medyo kumikinis tayo dahil yan sa effect ng AI beauty technology ng OPPO. So ayan guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga sample shots na gamit ko ang phone na ito. So these are the samples of video quality of the OPPO using the back cam. Another sample from the phone. So right now I'm using the back camera of the OPPO A3S at medyo low light siya. So this is the effect of the camera kapag medyo low light. I think maganda pa rin siya. Okay, titingnan natin yung stabilization niya habang naglalakad kung okay siya. So ayan. So tatry naman natin sa may mas okay light. So I'm taking this video sa labas ng bahay at ito yung kanyang shot kapag nasa natural lighting. So kung kanina artificial lighting yung ginagamit natin, ngayon I'm using a natural lighting na nagmumula sa window. So ito yung effect niya ng front cam pa rin ng OPPO A3S. Ito yung quality ng video kapag natural lighting yung gagamitin mo. So far so good. The quality of the cam is way better than any other phone, and what I like about this phone is that it has an AI beauty technology. So guys, these are the samples of selfie shots taken sa OPPO A3S. So ayan po yung mga sample niya. If you see yung beauty effect, I feel na feel mo talaga. So yan. And these are the sample of shots using portrait mode. So I'm using the back cam of this phone, and if you see, the quality is good, crisp, and maganda talaga yung pagkakakuha using the back cam. So guys, ito naman yung mga sample shots using the rear cam of this phone or the back cam of this phone without any filter or effect. So ito lang yung normal mode niya, which is 13 megapixel yung back cam ng phone na ito. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And bye bye, see you.